Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download and install ARCHICAD plugin. We go to Xuver homepage, select the word download plugin and click on download. Next we select our operating system, Windows or Mac. Next we select our plugin, ARCHICAD version 21.22, and we download it. Give a path where to save it on the desktop. It's done. Here it is. We extract it and we have two plugins depending on what version of ARCHICAD you have. I have ARCHICAD 22, so I'm going to copy this, Ctrl+C, into ARCHICAD installation directory, Program Files, Graphisoft, ARCHICAD 22, Add-ons, and I have it already here, but I will replace it and continue. It's done. We just have to restart ARCHICAD and we're ready to go.